This tractor is spreading corn and birdseed as part of a government-funded program. It will feed tens of thousands of cranes that would otherwise destroy nearby crop fields important for farmers. The cranes are just a fraction of the 500 million birds that stop off here in the marshes and swamps of the Hula Valley in Israel. Twice a year they fly thousands of miles between Europe and Africa, along the way threatened by hunters in the Mediterranean. This nature reserve is their safe zone to rest and refuel, and birders from around the world gather each year to observe them in the park and at festivals.